Alright, it's doing it again. Not starting. Hit the brake. Hit the start. Not starting. Shut it down. We'll try to wiggle the gear shift. Not starting. Shut it down. We'll put it in the... Oh. Well, I wiggled it and it worked. So, gotta be something wrong right here. Okay.